What's this naughty thing that we have here? You guys are getting like these amazing pictures and everything. Fortunately, this gentleman here. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. We're going for a van meet. We're going meeting some friends. It's going to be an exciting one this, so let's go.
Hey everyone, so we're off to the van meet that we've arranged for the weekend. We're going meeting our friends and we're super excited. Yay!
Yes, and you know what? We've got a naughty little addition that we're taking with us in the camper van. You'll have to wait for that, but for now, let's get there. There we go. Yes, we're here. And do you know what? That lovely gentleman that's just checked us in, we have been here before, just told us that we pretty much sold the whole campsite out, so do you know what? It's going to be an exciting weekend. The store is ready, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to have a quick walk around and say hi to everyone. We're going to have a real good chat with them. It's good to see that you've got your dubventures hoodie on there. Yes, yeah, like that, like that. One of Thor's friends. God, they've got the fire pit already, no messing about. Just having a wander around and look who's come to the van meet, it's Alan! Hey, how are you doing? Mate, remember him from when we did our Scotland trip and was well camping in that amazing welcome suite? That was something else, wasn't it?
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm just getting everything ready. May as well get the bed in the bed position so we can just chill out and lounge for a bit. There's a lot of people not here yet because this fan meet is on a Friday, and you know, a lot of people are going to be travelling and things, but you know, later on tonight, you know, should be here. We've already organised the fire pit, so we're going to be doing that tonight and maybe tomorrow as well, so let's just get everything ready. Scott everyone, one of our Scotland travel companions. Just in case anybody's wondering, Conrad is coming. He is on his way. He's well, he's doing good. So I've just been having a walk around. There's a lot more people here now, chatting to everyone. Dodge is here. You are going to see this guy in some upcoming videos. We'll tell you more about that. Yeah, you are going to see more of them, but more about that in different videos. Scott, we're good. We're well good.
It's good.
When are we having fire pits?
Anytime you want.
Anytime we want.
I've got plenty of gasoline.
Right. No, we don't use things like that. Like wood. We don't use things like that. So, how you doing? Look at this, look at this. Good to see you again. How's it going? Here he is, everyone. Here he is, everyone.
Oh, hello, Tom.
Conrad. How you doing? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm all good. Yes, just
get here. All good, yeah.
all good. Yes, all
yeah.
went well in
Right.
terms of what could it been. I didn't know.
Just for
Don't
those,
fault it.
just for those that like that have been watching and you know the story of Conrad. You know, you're not being too well recently. Still going through it. Still dealing with it, but it's good to see you here. That's what's important.
I'm glad to be here.
Conrad's got the barbecue going, so where is he? Just saying, you got the barbecue going.
Yeah,
Let's have a look.
Just prepping the sausages now, and then hopefully be waiting about 8 o'clock.
This is your first video that you've seen. Conrad is an amazing cook, and you know what? He's doing a barbecue. We're going to show you that later. So, before we have some barbecue and some food, just having a walk around and everything, catching up with this guy here, and he just said to me, "Come and have a look at our pitch here. Come and have a look at our pitch. Look at that!" I didn't even know
That's awesome.
that was there.
That's awesome.
Are you
Awesome
happy with that?
stuff. Very happy.
Look at the view they've got as well. Wait a minute. Like, you guys are getting like these amazing pictures and everything. Look at the view down here.
Come on, Tom, get your plate. Get your plate.
Go and get the plate.
They're ready
time.
now. They should be getting off the grill.
I'll go and,
as soon as
have you had some?
No, I'll give people first, and then I'll have myself.
Conrad, come on, we need to, like, you need to eat as well. So, right, I'm going to get a plate and come on, let's sit down and chill. So unfortunately, this gentleman here has forgot his red monkey handles, so surprise for you. Come on, come and follow us. Come and follow us. Got something for you.
I'm Conrad. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
So we just said you've got to try one of these. So
Go on then.
So here's the muffins. Go for it.
Gentle.
Just pick one, whatever you like.
That's what we're walking to tomorrow. Oh.
Good, good.
I'm quite.
No.
Right.
I said over an hour ago I was going to the toilet. I've still not been.
You're not.
No. It's good because every, you know, get in there, get talk to so many interesting people here and things like that, and they get talking, and it's just like, you know, I'm like. I did say I'd come back and speak to you guys, but you know what? You'll see it on when you watch this video, you'll see that over an hour ago I said I'm going to the toilet, and then ended up talking to this guy, showing it. Yeah, this guy's got like the best pitch. Talked to him, then talked to everybody else, and I've still not been. So I'm going. Where's the rest of the fire pits? Where's Scott?
He's there. It's just next door.
Scott, we're a fire pit down.
Being prepared.
It's being prepared, so it's all good. Right. Oh, it's warm in here. Just show you the toilets, you know, in case you guys are thinking about coming to this campsite. I'm whispering because I don't know if there's actually anybody in here, so I don't think there is. Showers and everything, so right. So we're staying here for a couple of days now. When we do like a road trip, you know, we've done like 10 days in Scotland and loads of other different road trips we've done, like weeks here, there and everywhere. The thing is, when we get everything ready, we never forget anything. I can't tell you how many things we've forgot on this trip. Brooks forgot cups, we forgot like food. Yeah, no, we forgot so many things. In fact, someone's just had to go and get a plastic cup for Brooke because she wants a brew. Not got any cups. Conrad's only brought one cup for himself because obviously he's our neighbour for the weekend. So, but you know, but we take everything out every time. We've been on a camping trip, we take everything out, and we just leave it out, you know, until we travel again. This was going to be a shot where it's like, you know, I'll just put a nice cinematic shot of it, but everyone was like waving and saying hi, so it's kind of like ignorant just to like not say it. So everybody say hi. Hi. Scott, everybody with his fire pits, like Scott's always got a raging fire pit going. It's always up there.
Yeah, I like.
You comfy enough there?
Oh, beautiful, isn't it? You should have got the bigger chairs here.
What's that all about? Bigger chair, they're like sofa size.
I was about to say, I'm going to text Carol.
No.
Well, the fire pits are on.
I've seen youngsters take it, and they come to trouble
Right.
with all the gear.
Yeah.
Hold up the side.
Time of his life for that. So anyway, hi everybody. So I don't know if this is everybody from the van meet or anything, but
They're our hosts tonight.
who? Evening. Hello. So right, we're just gonna chill out for a little bit. And you know what I found mad? What time is it? Anybody?
9 o'clock.
I seen you do it first. 9 o'clock. Last time we had a van meet at 9 o'clock. I think we was probably all in bed nearly because it was dark and everything. So nice and light. So anyway, we're just going to chill out for a little bit. Everybody said hi. So
Buongiorno, buongiorno.
you still not got over it, have you, Scott?
Sausages.
So, Dave has given me his extra cup for a day. Oh, thanks. That is on 7 campsites. But he said that he's not using the diesel. We've got some really nice campsites. Like I found one, and it was like about £15 for the night, weren't it? It's got some
Morning, everyone. Peaceful night's sleep. Morning, Conrad.
Morning, Bob.
How you doing? You have a good night's sleep?
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. You know what? It's dry today, which is fantastic because we're going to be going on a walk after. So
And it's a bit warmer as well.
Yeah.
That's a bit warmer, that's good.
so for now, we're just going to go and take off for a quick walk. So we've just took off for a quick walk, and it was a quick walk, but it took us a long time because we've been talking to everybody now. As I said before,
talking to everybody.
we've been talking to everybody, so we're just going to make a quick
You've
breakfast.
been talking to everybody.
No, we've been talking to everybody.
We'll
so,
ask people this later.
Right, well, anyway. Right, so we're going to make some food and then we're going for a walk, and you know the weather, it's improving, it's getting warm now, so yeah, so now, food time. So we're going on a hike and we're going over to Castleton and look at the weather. Yes!
The thing is though, Conrad, you don't shut up.
True, yeah, I've been chatting.
I think we might have just heard that on camera, so...
Oh my goodness, yeah.
You know what I mean? So you can't deny what you just said there. What do you think about that, Conrad?
Well, it only
That's kind of true actually, so there we go.
I'm a chatty guy, yeah.
We'll fight it out tonight round campfire.
There we go. We're not far from a castle here, and this pub is called the Castle, but I've just said, like, I want to go to the castle, so Paul and Dave, we said that we're going to have a quick walk up to the castle, so, and then we'll come back and join everyone else later, so see you later. They're not even interested. They're just not interested at all. They're like, yeah, we're at the pub, so. It's the rest of the gang, they've caught up with us. So everyone's gone to the pub down there, but we said that we're going to have a walk up to the castle. You know what, I have to say, we just like went to a different bit where you can get to the castle. We got there and there's an admin fee to get in. And we decided, you know what, it's quite expensive for what it is, we'll just leave it. Now there's a road just next to the castle, we've seen this, decided to go this way, and you know what, just look at the view and everything, it's a much better route. You all having fun?
Of course. Yeah, chilling out.
Here we go. It's alright, we've been to a big hike to get all the footage for you guys, you know what I mean?
Talking about us bands, mate.
Alright.
We've been to the castle.
You've been to the castle? I know, we've already said you're already at the castle.
You can bottle it.
Right, we've all kind of like gone our own ways now. Some people have like stayed at the pub and things. We're just going to the campsite because it's food time. Just gonna have a tuna sandwich and then just chill out and relax for a bit.
It's glorious weather.
I know. What's this naughty thing that we have here? So guys, we've teamed up with My Rider and we've got an electric e-bike. Now we're going to be showing a lot of footage of using this bike when we go on our European road trip.
It'll be nice and warm.
Get your base down in there.
They're all taking the mick out of me because I burnt in the sun today.
Stepping up, I'm stepping up. I'm helping Conrad to cook. So, a camping knife, that's a camping knife. So, right, mozzarella dippers. We're actually quite an expert at these, so I've just washed my hands before, so there we go.
Hand disinfector.
I've
Sanitizer.
washed my hands before we came out and everything.
Okay, I'll let you carry
Come on,
on.
I know what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing here. So we're having the mozzarella dippers, so as you can see I'm now in charge of the barbecue and everything, and we're in the smoke-free zone over here. Just have a quick look over there. That's like the smoke. So if you want smoky barbecue, it's to the right, and if you want normal barbecue, it's to the
That's
left.
Gemma's barbecue over there.
Oh yeah.
Tom's cooking mozzarella dippers, but look what he's looking at.
Oh,
Conrad's barbecue.
yeah, my eyes are on that.
Conrad's taking the smoky burgers over to the smoky section.
Because we've got no smoky barbecue, so we've got to.
What are you looking at? I think he's looking at barbecue. What was that?
You've earned it today. You've done
How many sausages have you had today?
well 2 burgers.
Oh well, I guess that's yours over there.
Sausages, actually.
Oh, and 2 sausages.
Yeah, so that'll be sausage number 3. I don't know.
Oh, maybe just get that big chunky one there.
We'll look ridiculous.
How long, Tom? We're all waiting.
No, no
Look at this
pressure.
queue here.
Everyone's had the sausages and that, now they all want the mozzarella dippers.
Come on.
Just come round to Scott. Scott, does that bring back any memories for you? You have to watch one of the other bands.
You have to watch one of the other bands.
Was that the last one? Was that the last one?
I'm good.
Do not let that go.
I believe you went there.
I can't believe you fell for it.
I knew that was coming. I was like, okay. Of course you did. Thank you, Conrad, for the food. It's very nice.
Thank you, Conrad, for the food.
Thank you, Conrad, for the food.
Thank you, Conrad, for the food.
You don't all have to say the same thing. We'll just like saying thank you secretly.
Thank you, Conrad, for the sausages.
There we go, something different.
The food looks lovely, Conrad.
Thank you for the food, Conrad.
Thank you for the food, Conrad. It was lovely.
Conrad, the food was brilliant.
What a guy.
Thank you for the food, Conrad. Very nice.
Thank you for the food, Conrad.
Right, can we just like say, just to put it, I made the mozzarella dippers.
Mozzarella dippers.
Did you have any of the mozzarella dippers?
I did have one.
How was it?
Rather delicious.
Today it's so warm, but you know what? The fantastic thing about like having like a fan that you can use in your campervan is because we've got our EcoFlow power station, what we can do is, whilst we're trying to keep cool and everything, you know, you might be thinking, well, you know, the fans have only got like a certain amount of battery power. The fantastic thing is, we don't need to worry about that, because when you plug like your fans and things, you know, into your power station, we can just like pretty much continuously keep them going. So guys, this is the second night of the dubventures van meet. I just personally want to say thank you to everybody for coming, but I do hope that you've all had a good time, and we do hope to see you again at another one very, very soon. So thank you for coming. Bye for now. Bye. That's not the end of the video, because I know I always say bye for now. We're going to film some tomorrow, so don't click off. We've got more in the morning, so see you in the morning. So guys, we've teamed up with My Rider and we've got an electric e-bike. Now we're going to be showing a lot of footage of using this bike when we go on our European road trip, but for now, just going to go and have a little ride around the campsite. Morning everyone. Woke up, look at the fantastic weather that we've had. So this is the last day of the van meet. Everybody's pretty much gone home now, you know, just a few of us still, you know, still saying bye and everything. Fantastic weekend. Thank you so much to everybody that come. We had a really good time. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.